Query performance with limit 0. My application will receive select queries submitted by users, but rather than execute it and get the full result set, at this stage, it just needs the column names and types. The users will be data analysts, so I expect a lot of hairy queries to be submitted. Submitted queries will stick around in the application and get evaluated frequently, based on a mixture of triggers and crons, as the data volume grows. The client application is written in Python and Scalcony core to interact with the database. Currently I'm appending a limit 0 at the end of the query to get just the result metadata. This is giving me acceptable results so far. Example: query to be examined. Probing query. Explain analyze returns the following result. Note that the sexscan on users has a note, never executed. Next I tried limit 0 on a more complicated query with the following result. Again, the only costs incurred are planning time and a smaller execution time. Questions? Is it safe to assume an upper bound on the total time as being twice the planning time? In postgresql I thought SWA optimization fences all the time. However, with the limit 0, that don't seem to get materialized, never executed. Is that a behavior I can rely on going forward? 9.5 plus. Is there a simpler, more efficient method to get a select query's metadata? If I can assume 0.1 above, then this is not a very important concern. Anecdotally, what is the largest planning time you have observed on a select query? I'm fairly certain that even as the data volume grows in the underlying tables, I can assume the planning time to be similar for the same query. Is there a case where this would not hold true?
I think the execution time will be about constant in most cases, with the notable exception of data modifying. See below. If the never gets used, it is not executed. The exception to this rule is if there is a data modifying statement in this case, which is always executed. I don't think there is a better way in PL/Python. If you write a C function you could probably prepare the statement and then get its result columns, but it's probably non-trivial as well. No cool story to share. The planning time is independent of the size of the tables.
Privatization is cosmos